Alright guys, in today's video we are talking about how you can download, install and set up Vagrant on your computer. Before we even get started to downloading and installing, first you have to understand what this concept stands. So you cannot you don't want to just go ahead downloading and installing what you don't know about. First, let's look at what VirtualBox is, then Vagrant. When we talk about VirtualBox, without any technical term, you can go ahead and read what we have here. But in a more simple term, it's a computer inside a computer. Let's say you have a program or a game that only works, that find it difficult to work on your system. Okay, instead of maybe going to get another computer just to run that one singular thing, you can use a virtual box. All right, so you can use a VirtualBox to do that, and Vagrant is more like a tool that help manage your virtual environment. Of course, you help manage your virtual tools, your virtual environment. Okay, it's not just used for for VirtualBox alone. You can use it for Docker, Hyper-V, and other virtual machine. Okay, so the purpose of Vagrant is to simplify the process of setting up and managing visual development environment. You can research more about this concept, but this will get you started to know what you are downloading and installing. So just to get started with what you have, first we want to download and install VirtualBox. That's the first step to what we are going to do today. So to get started, you go to your browser and the link is here. You can copy it and paste in your browser. So just come over to my browser. You can search for VirtualBox download, just like so. You can hit on that and it's going to take you from Google. It's going to take you there. You click on the first one, but hey, you can just go ahead and copy the link. Any of them works. The link is here. It will be in the description. You can just copy it and paste in your browser and it's going to help you download that. So once you get here, you come over here, you select the type of operating system you are using, Windows, Mac and Linux. So I'm using Windows, so I'll just go ahead and click on Windows here. So going to start downloading. So I already have that, so I'm just going to stop that because I already downloaded VirtualBox on my computer. You can allow it to download. So what I'll need to do, look at it. To begin the installation process, I'll have to click on it and wait for it to load. So I'll click, you select yes. Okay, select next. Okay, so this is it, and just go ahead and select next. Just say yes, yes. So you go ahead and click install. All right, it's going to start the installation process. Just give it a little time. Run the installation. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on finish. All right. So since we are done downloading and installing VirtualBox, the next thing is to download Vagrant. So you can copy this link, the link here to, or you can go to your search on your search bar and search for Vagrant download. So either way, it will take you to where you have to download Vagrant. So this is it. You come here, Mac OS, Windows, Linux. So I'm using Windows, so I'll click on Windows. You come here, ensure it's on the latest version. So click on this AMD 64. Click is going to start the download. Since I already have that downloaded, I'm not going to download that again. So I have that here, Vagrant for Windows. So I'll click on it to begin the installation process. Okay, so yeah, this is it. All right, you click next. Click on I accept terms and next. Okay, don't bother to change all of these. Just click on next. Click on install. So it's going to take a little time to run. So while I just wait for it to run, click on yes, and the installation process will begin. So just allow it to finish up the installation. So after we installed Vagrant, we click on finish. So it's going to ask if you want to restart computer. I don't want that, so I'll click on no. So after you've done that, the next thing we are going to do now is to come here, search for PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. You can also use command prompt, but I prefer using PowerShell. Windows prompt is still going to work. So once you open your Windows prompt, okay, the next thing you are going to do, you come back to our document here. The link will be in the description. So run the following command. So the first one here, you are going to copy this vagrant-vbguest add Ubuntu Focal 64. So I'll copy. So I go back to PowerShell. What I'm going to do, you right click. So once I right click, it's going to paste by itself what I copied. The link will be of what you need, or the link will be in the description. So make sure you are connected to the internet for it to work. So I hit enter. It's going to start to add the vagrant-vbguest. So you wait, it will take some time. You are going to wait for it. Allow you to download all the dependencies. So as you can see, it has said successfully added Ubuntu Focal 64. So the next thing, you come back, all the links will be in the description. So you copy the next one, just copy the link, right click, click on so copy, and you go back to your PowerShell, right click to paste it. So once you pasted it, you hit enter. So it's going to run that. What we are doing, we are initializing Ubuntu Focal 64. So wait for it to run. Okay, so it's going to say it already exists. So I'll go to the next command. So I come back here and I copy this. All the link are here for you. So copy, I come back here, I just right click and I hit enter. That's going to run. Okay, this is going to take some time, so let's just wait for it. As you can see, it has been installed vagrant-vbguest. It has been installed. So the next step, we come here, and the next step is to run vagrant up. So again, I'll copy the link here, click on copy, and come back here. I'll right click, I'll hit enter. So I'll wait for it. This is going to take a few time. So again, I'm going to pause and wait for it to run. So it's running. So let me just pause. Okay, so as you can see, I'll be able to vagrant up have run successfully. So the next command be to type vagrant ssh. Again, I'll put this from here. Like I said, the command, the link will be the description. So copy this, and I come back here and I paste in. I click to paste, and if I hit enter, vagrant ssh. Okay, that's going to run as well. All right, so congratulations. You see, last we have been able to log in into our vagrant Ubuntu Foca box. So if I hit if I list ls, see I have some files here. So if I already created some files, so to exit, I'll just do exit. I'll type in exit, and it's going to exit that. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.